This is how you open an existing project in ModelSim. So the first time you open ModelSim, you will see this page and just select open from this bar, and then you will find the directory where you previously saved your project. Mine is saved here. So in the HDL file, just select project files, and then now you can open the file. You will find the .mpf file. Select this one. Without selecting the project file, you will not see this .mpf file. So once you select that, then you open it, and that's it. That's how you open an existing project in ModelSim.